Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Today I am coming up with my most complimented vegetarian recipe. My son calls it as cauliflower keema masala, the way it looks and the flavor it has got. Friends, please try this most complimented gobi recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Now let's get started. Okay friends, your kitchen would have filled up with all masala flavors and our yummy cauliflower keema masala is ready to enjoy with rice or roti. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.